Have you ever noticed that when you're alone with yourself in the silence of the night, your mind just won't quiet down? Is the weight of everything that wore you out today still pressing on you? How about, just for a moment, stepping away from it all and taking a deep breath? Now clear your mind, close your eyes, and just listen to me. It's nighttime. Maybe you're in bed, or maybe you're still up. Your eyes tired, but your mind still racing. Today's been hard on you, hasn't it? Work, people, expectations, thoughts, they all piled up weighing you down. And now, even if just for a moment, you want to pause. Just silence, just peace, just a breath of relief. So let this moment be yours. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it, and now slowly exhale. Again, breathe in deeply and let go. Let go of all the tension, the weight on your neck, the pressure on your back, the chaos in your mind. It's all slowly drifting away from you. Because now is not the time to think, it's time to rest. Now is not the time to fight, it's time to heal. Maybe today didn't go the way you planned. Maybe you're disappointed in yourself. Maybe you're upset or hurt. But know this, tonight isn't here to judge you. It's here to hold you, to remind you of your worth, to help you gather yourself, to repair your soul. Tonight, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to fix anything. Just let it go. Leave the day behind. What was meant to be, happened. What happened is over. Now you are here, in this moment, in this breath. Stop being so hard on yourself. You're already doing the best you can. Some days, simply making it through is a victory, and you made it through today. That alone is an achievement. And remember, within you is a strength so deep, maybe it's been quiet, maybe it's been forgotten, but it's still there. You are more resilient than you think, strong enough to start over, to rise again, flexible enough to reshape yourself where you've been broken. As Nelson Mandela once said, our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. One morning you can wake up and change your entire life. You can make new decisions, leave the past behind, begin again. But first, you need to rest. You need to repair your body and calm your mind. Being strong isn't just about pushing forward. Sometimes the most important part of continuing is stopping. Now let your thoughts come. Don't suppress them. Just notice them and let them pass. Thoughts are like clouds. They come and go. You are the sky. Everything passes. All you need to do right now is trust the flow. Nothing needs to be solved tonight. Tonight is for stepping into peace. You will calm down. You will reconnect with that deep stillness inside. Tomorrow is a new day, a brand new beginning, a new breath, a new motivation. And you will wake up stronger tomorrow because tonight you allowed yourself this. You gave yourself permission to rest, to recharge, to return to yourself. This is the quietest form of courage. Sometimes doing nothing is doing everything. Remember Steve Jobs' words, your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. What you couldn't accomplish today might just be a stepping stone for tomorrow. Where you fell today could be where you rise tomorrow. And you already have everything it takes to begin again. Don't underestimate yourself. The potential inside you is so vast, even you haven't fully discovered it yet. Eleanor Roosevelt once said, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So rest tonight for those dreams. Sleep is not an escape, it's preparation. A deep sleep means a stronger you. When you wake up, you'll have a clearer mind. Maybe the same problems will still be there, but you'll see them differently. Because tonight, you've grown stronger, quietly but deeply. Now, take one last deep breath. Hold it and release. Let today's weight go with your breath. Thank yourself for not giving up, for giving yourself this moment. Close your eyes. Relax. Let sleep embrace you. Let peace fill your body. When your mind quiets, your heart begins to speak. Listen to that wise voice inside you. It's telling you, everything is going to be okay. And it will be. Because as long as you believe in yourself, even darkness turns to light. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Wishing you success in your life tomorrow. May all the good things find their way to you.